Worship without worry. 4 reasons you and your church family are in danger against the spread of infectious disease. Number 1, hand washing. It is the easiest and safest thing you can do against self-infection. Number 2, social distancing. It's so simple, but that little bit of space can save so much suffering. 3, don't use bleach. Your granny, my granny, they all use bleach and it worked. But we've made incredible improvements as a population and society. We have chemicals now that are non-toxic and safe to use and won't cause harm to your respiratory system. Number 4, hire a professional service that sanitizes. They will help you develop a plan and put it into action so that they can keep you, your church, and your loved ones safe. If you and your church family are interested in taking steps to keep your church family safe, we can help. We can provide an infectious disease control audit for your church. With this audit, we can review your church's needs. With this audit, we will help develop protocols and procedures to keep your church family safe. Normally, this audit is a $200 value. If you call us or send us a message today, there will be no charge for this service. We can discuss in simple detail a process and protocol that will keep you and everyone you love safe. We can only schedule so many audits, and we would love to help you and your church family today, so give us a call. This is very important as we move into the cold and flu season.